And what you were saying, Papa?
I need to buy this cat.
That's too big. Show me again. Show me again. Papa, I want to buy this cake.
Papa, I need to buy this cat.
Like this, like this. Like this, like this. Show me to Papa. Papa, I want to buy this cake.
I need to buy
No, like this.
I need to buy this cat. I stand high.
Very good. Are you sure? You promise Papa you will study hard? Are you sure you promise Papa that you study hard?
Yes.
That is, yes, Papa, I study
Yes.
hard.
Papa said.
Very good. Hindi na kita. You also? But your birthday is February. You study hard also, ha?
I
Huh? Good. I want to buy this cake.